Grow your own fresh, healthy food with the Survival Garden Seeds Vegetable Collection Seed Vault. Inside, you'll find 15 non-GMO heirloom varieties, from juicy beefsteak tomatoes and crisp cucumbers to sweet carrots, leafy greens, squash, radishes, and even watermelon. These open-pollinated, non-hybrid seeds are carefully selected for their high germination rates and diverse flavors, giving you both warm season and cool weather crops for year-round gardening. Perfect for planting, storing, or even saving seeds for future seasons, each packet includes easy-to-follow growing instructions. Whether you're a beginner or experienced gardener, you'll appreciate the quality and variety that supports a sustainable, self-reliant lifestyle. And with every pack sourced from a small American family-owned business, you can trust you're planting safe, natural seeds that will thrive for years to come. Take control of your food supply. Start your garden today with Survival Garden Seeds.